Asif, you seem busy on your phone. What are you doing?
Oh hey, I'm browsing a shopping app. I want to buy a new backpack.
That's cool. Which app are you using?
I'm using Daraz. They have good offers today.
I've never bought a backpack online. Are you sure about the quality?
I always check ratings and reviews before ordering. This one has 4.7 stars and lots of good comments.
That's smart. How long will it take to arrive?
It says delivery within 3 days. And if I don't like it, I can return it.
Nice. I should try online shopping too. It saves time and effort.
Exactly. You can compare prices, read reviews, and order from home.
I think I'll download the app today. Can you help me later?
Sure, I'll show you how to use it step by step.
Thanks, bro. You're the best.
Anytime. Happy shopping in advance.
Hi, Mid. Did you hear about the big online sale this weekend?
Yes, everyone is talking about it. Have you bought anything yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to buy a smartwatch. The price is much lower now.
That sounds like a good deal. I ordered a pair of shoes yesterday.
Oh, nice. Which site did you use?
I used Ajkar Deal. They have good collections and fast delivery.
That's great. I usually compare prices on multiple apps before buying.
Same here. And I always look for coupon codes.
Do you ever face problems with delivery?
Sometimes the delivery is late, but most of the time it's fine.
Have you ever returned a product?
Yes, once. The size didn't fit. The return process was easy though.
That's good to hear. I was always nervous about returns.
No worries. If you follow the steps, it's really simple.
All right, I'll try it this weekend. Let's see what I find.
Good luck. Let me know if you need any help.
Hey Sarah, have you ever tried online shopping?
Of course, I do it all the time. It's so convenient.
Really? I'm a bit scared to order things online. What if the product is not good?
That can happen sometimes, but if you buy from trusted websites, it's usually safe.
Which websites do you use?
I mostly use Amazon and Flipkart. For clothes, I like Myntra. They have good return policies too.
That's good to know. But how do you know if the size or color will be right?
I always check the size chart and read customer reviews before buying. It really helps.
Sounds smart. Have you ever returned something?
Yes, a few times. It's easy if you follow the steps. Most sites offer free returns.
That's really helpful. I think I'll try ordering something small first.
Great idea. Start with something like a book or an accessory.
Thanks, Leo. You've given me a lot of confidence.
Anytime. Let me know if you need help. Happy shopping!